In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Google Slides. Whether you're polishing a class project or building a client deck, choosing the right font can instantly make your slides clearer and more professional. I'll walk you through changing fonts for specific text, adding more font choices to your menu, and updating the font across your entire presentation so everything stays consistent. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Click directly on the text box you want to update, or drag to highlight the exact words you want to change. Selecting the text tells Slides exactly what should be updated, so you don't accidentally change something else. With your text selected, look at the toolbar along the top and click the current font name, such as Arial. This opens a drop-down menu with your available fonts. You'll see a visual preview of each font style next to its name, which makes it easier to pick a look that's readable and on brand. Click the font you want and your selected text will change instantly. If you don't see a difference, double-check that your text is highlighted and try again. If you'd like more variety, you can add additional fonts to your menu. Open the same font drop-down and click More Fonts at the top. A window will appear where you can search by name or browse by categories like serif, sans serif, and handwriting. Click a font to add it to your personal list. When you're done, click OK. Those fonts will now show up in your regular font menu, and you can use them in any Google Slides presentation on your account. A quick tip: keep legibility in mind, especially for titles and small body text, so your audience can read your slides from a distance. To change the font across all your slides at once, go to the top menu and click Slide, then choose Edit Theme. In some versions, you may see Edit Master instead. It's the same idea. On the left, click the very top master slide. This master controls the default look of your presentation, including titles and body text. Click the title or body text placeholders on that master, then pick your preferred font from the toolbar. This sets a consistent style behind the scenes. When you're finished, close the theme editor. The new font will now apply throughout your presentation wherever those placeholders are used. And that's it. With these steps, you can quickly refine the look of your slides and keep your entire deck consistent and polished.